What if you could save hours on lesson planning while giving your students personalized, engaging content? Enter the world of AI in education, where a prompt library can revolutionize the way you teach and learn. For teachers, creating assignments and prompts can be time consuming, repetitive, and challenging to customize for each student's unique needs. And for students, finding prompts that challenge yet engage them can feel hit or miss. That's where AI comes in. With AI, you now have access to an endless library of prompts tailored to your subject, lesson goals, and even individual student preferences. Imagine generating assignments in seconds with prompts that are aligned with your curriculum and adapted for different learning levels. Let's take a look at how this works. Simply enter the topic or learning objective, and within seconds, AI presents you with a variety of engaging prompts, complete with customizable difficulty levels, interactive elements, and even content that adapts to student progress. For educators, AI means more time to focus on teaching rather than lesson prep. You can generate prompts for creative writing, science experiments, or math problems in just a few clicks, allowing you to create diverse learning experiences for all your students. And for students, AI helps unlock personalized learning. The prompts can adapt to their learning pace, challenge them in areas they need improvement, and make learning more engaging and interactive. Ready to transform your classroom with AI? Try an AI prompt library today and see how it can elevate your teaching and learning experience. Welcome to the complete guide for AI for education, Prompt Library, where AI transforms the way educators create prompts and design assignments. The goal of this tutorial is to help educators understand the tool's functionality and how it can revolutionize their teaching approach. All websites mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Step 1. Accessing the prompt library. Visit the website, open your browser, and go to i4education.io. Explore the homepage. Familiarize yourself with the layout. The homepage provides an overview of various categories tailored for educators. Step 2. Navigating the categories. The prompt library is organized into several key sections. All prompts. This section contains a comprehensive list of all available prompts. Browse through to find resources that suit your needs. For students, discover prompts specifically designed to engage students. These can be used to facilitate interactive learning experiences. Lesson planning. Access prompts that assist in crafting engaging and effective lesson plans. These resources can save time and inspire creativity. Assessment. Find prompts that help assess student understanding and gather valuable feedback. Utilize these tools to enhance your evaluation methods. Special education. Explore prompts tailored for special education. These resources are designed to support diverse learning needs and create inclusive environments. Step 3. Implementing prompts in your workflow. Choose a prompt. Select a prompt that fits your current task, whether it's lesson planning, assessment, or engaging students. Customize the prompt. Feel free to modify the prompt to better suit your specific context or objectives. Personalization can enhance effectiveness. Engage with GenAI. Input the prompt into your chosen GenAI chatbot, such as ChatGPT, and interact with the AI to generate responses or resources. Incorporate results. Use the output from the chatbot to inform your lesson plans, assessments, or student interactions. Adjust as necessary based on your classroom dynamics. Whether you're teaching creative writing, science, math, or history, this library can help generate customized prompts, ensuring that assignments are engaging, challenging, and tailored to each student's unique learning pace. AI for Education's Prompt Library is a powerful AI-driven tool designed to help educators and content creators generate educational prompts quickly. It utilizes natural language processing (NLP) to generate creative, topic-specific, or subject-based prompts that are customizable, adapted to various learning levels, engaging, ensures creativity and depth in assignment generation, time-saving, automates the process of creating lesson content, saves time, teachers spend less time crafting individual prompts and more time focusing on student engagement. Adaptability can generate prompts that range from simple comprehension checks to complex analytical assignments. Consistency ensures that all students receive thought-provoking questions, reducing the risk of repetitive assignments. Create prompt. This allows you to generate a unique prompt for your classroom. Options include subject area, complexity level, student age group, and assignment type. Library, explore pre-existing prompts that you can customize for your use. The library has a search bar to filter prompts by topic, difficulty level, and subject area. Templates, ready-made templates for subjects like English, math, science, etc. Open your browser and go to aipromptlibrary.org. Choose a prompt. Browse the library. Navigate through the categories available. Explore different subjects and grade levels to find prompts that suit your needs. Select a prompt. Click on a prompt that interests you to view its details and examples. Customize the prompt. Fill in the blanks. Input information specific to your class, assignment, or task. Modify keywords, topics, and any other relevant details. Click the Generate Prompt button and watch as a personalized prompt is created just for you. Click the Copy Prompt button. This will open ChatGPT in a new tab, ready for your use. Right-click and select Paste in the ChatGPT interface. Press Enter to see the magic happen. The prompt generator allows educators to set the specific parameters. Subject area. Choose from options like mathematics, literature, history, science, and more. Example, select History. Student level. Define the difficulty level based on the student's learning stage, elementary, middle school, high school, etc. Prompt type. Creative writing. Generate prompts that inspire students to write stories or narratives. Research-based. Design prompts that challenge students to investigate and write about a particular topic. Critical thinking. Generate prompts that encourage students to analyze and interpret complex information. Keywords. Enter specific topics or keywords that you want the prompt to focus on. After generating a prompt, educators can save it for future use. Prompts can be categorized into different folders like essay prompts, class discussion, or project-based assignments for easy access later. Educators can tweak existing prompts by editing key details, modify language, adjust the tone, difficulty, or phrasing of the question to match student needs. Add specific requirements. Incorporate additional instructions like word count, citation formats, or expected length. Pre-generated prompt. Analyze the theme of friendship in the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Customization. Change the prompt to focus on the relationship between Huck and Jim, making it more specific. New version. Examine how the evolving relationship between Huck and Jim in the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn reflects the complex racial dynamics of 19th century America. Overview of groovyeducation.com. Key features: comprehensive AI training programs, a library of AI tools specifically designed for educators, a collection of prompts to inspire and guide educators in using AI effectively. Lesson planning prompts, ideas for incorporating AI into lesson plans. Student engagement prompts, strategies for increasing student participation using AI tools. Assessment prompts, creative ways to assess student learning through AI. The prompt library allows you to generate adaptive prompts based on individual student progress. Teachers can input specific data about student performance, and the AI will generate remedial prompts for students needing extra help in specific areas. Advanced prompts for students excelling and ready for more challenging material. AI for Education also provides data-driven feedback on prompt performance. Educators receive insights on how well students are responding to specific prompts based on analytics from assignment submissions. Recommendations for adjusting difficulty or refining prompts to better suit the class's overall performance. Teachers can create prompts that encourage collaborative projects. For example, create a group research prompt where students must divide the task among themselves, and the AI can even suggest which areas each group member should focus on based on their strengths. The library allows you to generate peer review prompts, helping students critique each other's work constructively. Evaluate your peer's argument on how technology will shape future careers, offering at least 2 points of praise and 1 suggestion for improvement. Start small. Begin by using pre-generated prompts to get a feel for the platform. Collaborate with peers. Use the platform's sharing features to exchange prompts with other educators. Experiment. Test out the adaptive learning features to challenge both struggling and high-performing students. Consistency. Regularly use the AI prompts to help standardize your assessments, ensuring that they are always challenging and engaging. Moreusefulthings.com provides resources for individuals looking to adapt to the evolving landscape shaped by AI. The platform includes a comprehensive playbook, a variety of prompts, and exercises tailored for both instructors and students. Key features: a definitive guide to navigating AI in work, learning, and daily life, extensive libraries of prompts for diverse applications, exercises aimed at enhancing educational experiences. The AI for Education prompt library is a game changer in how educators approach lesson planning and student engagement. From generating creative assignments to fostering critical thinking, this AI tool enables teachers to create prompts that are not only tailored to the subject but also personalized for every student's style. Ready to revolutionize your classroom? Save your time and start creating your own personalized AI-generated prompts. This comprehensive tutorial covers the platform's functionality and provides an in-depth understanding of how to use it effectively. Through clear instructions, examples, and practical applications, educators can easily follow along and begin transforming their teaching with AI. Unlock the potential of AI for your business. Comment on this video to get expert advice on practical applications tailored just for you. Don't miss out.